then he is faithful, sir. Sometimes master may be angry, but Mitra should be silent. Then master becomes kind. But if he replies on equal level, then it is very bad. Dustavhaja satanga mitram bhittascha uttaradayaka sasatpeja grihivas. And you are living in an apartment where there is a snake. So if these four things are there, or one of them, not all the four, then mrityureva na samsaya, then you are doomed. Your life is spoiled. Dustavhaja satanga mitram Vittascha uttaradayaka sasarpeja grihivasa mrityureva. So this man married a prostitute, Dustavhaja, and he learned how to cheat, how to become fraud. So many we have already discussed. That was his business. And he was very nicely, he was thinking, I am very nicely situated. In this way, he was a little attached to the youngest child. That was his fortune, that he was named Narayana. That is Krishna's kindness. Krishna is so kind, so merciful to his devotee, that Uddhava says that Krishna is so kind that Putana came to poison Krishna. She smeared poison on her breast. They made a policy that I shall take the child very affectionately and push the nipple in his mouth, and as soon as the child will drink the poison, he will die. Krishna is so kind that although her motive was to kill Krishna, Krishna took the bright side. What is that? Oh, I have sucked her breast, so she is my mother. Krishna is taking. And therefore, after death, Putana got the same position as Mother Jasoda. So Krishna is so kind. Who can kill Krishna? So, for Krishna there is no black side or bright side. If Krishna can drink oceans of poison, so that he did not take very seriously, that these witches have come to poison me, but she has agreed to give me milk from her breast, then she is my mother. This is Krishna's conclusion. Therefore Uddhava says, such a kind Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, that the enemy, the poison giver, was accepted as mother, so whom I shall worship except Krishna? This should be the conclusion. That Krishna is so kind, little service. So this Ajamil, in the beginning of his life, he was being trained up by his father, first class Brahmin, Vaishnava. But he fell a victim to the prostitute and he forgot everything. But Krishna noted that he has done something for me. Salpamapiyasya dharmasya trayati mahato bhaya. Devotional service, if sincerely done little only, that is also taken, just like the Putana. They had no desire, still, consciously, unconsciously, she gave some service. Similarly, we should try our best to give some service to Krishna. If little service is sincerely given, Krishna takes note of it and his business is protect you. Even though you fall down, just like Ajamil. So Ajamil fell down very deeply from the standard of Brahman, Vaishnava. But Krishna saved him, that this man has got very much attraction for the child, so let him have the name Narayana. That dictation was given by Krishna. Better keep your son's name Narayan. So, he was attached to the son, always chanting Narayana. Narayana, please come. Narayana, please eat. Narayana, please sit down. So at the time of death, he loudly chanted Narayana. He thought his son will save him from the hands of this Jamadut. But immediately Krishna's attendants immediately came there, and immediately they ordered, you Jamaduta, carriers of order, stop, you cannot do it. That is stated here. Jamo Prashan Vishnu Dita Bharvayamasa. Do not touch him. Ojasa. Very strongly. If you touch, then you will be punished. Don't do it. Ojosa. Ojosa. Ojosa means very strongly. Just like master orders the servant, you must do it. Similarly, Ojosa. This is the benefit of becoming Vaishnava and chanting. If we chant offenselessly, this man had no offense. He was misguided accidentally, but he did not commit any offense. He did not perform all sinful activities that I am now chanting Narayana, so it is being nullified. And so let me go on doing these sinful activities and chant Narayana. No, he did not do so. He did not know. What is the benefit of chanting Narayana's name? He did not know. So therefore, unconsciously, he was offenseless. Namnat bala jasahi papa buddhi. If one thinks that I am chanting Hare Krishna mantra, and it is said, by chanting Hare Krishna, everyone's sinful reaction of life becomes nullified. So let me do these two things. That is very great offense. Namnat bala jasa, you have heard our 10 offenses. This is the gravest offense. Rajavel did not do that. He was foolish, he became victimized unknowingly. So he was committing sinful and cheating others, becoming fraud, because he thought this is my livelihood. But he was affectionate to his son, he is always chanting Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Not purposefully, that let me chant Narayan and commit all sinful activities. No, that is not. You should mark this. Therefore, the Vishnuduta came. That he is not offended. He is innocent, criminal. So, therefore the Jamaduta came and immediately, very forcefully ordered, do not touch Ajami. Now, next discussion we shall see. It is very interesting. Thank you very much.